Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Xbox Cloud Gaming subscription and checking latency. Low ping matters. Next, connect your keyboard and mouse using a supported USB-C or Bluetooth adapter. Make sure the host recognizes both. Once paired, open Edge or Chrome and sign into Xbox Cloud Gaming. Do not launch Fortnite yet. This step ensures Steam-like input reliability, so when you start the game, you already have permission and device bindings in place for immediate play. Now you configure controls inside the cloud session. First, enable keyboard and mouse pass-through in the Xbox Cloud Gaming interface and verify functionality in another cloud title so you avoid surprises. Then launch Fortnite and remap keys for movement, building, and aim. Reduce input smoothing to tighten responsiveness. Adjust mouse DPI and in-game sensitivity. Start with 400 to 800 DPI and ADS around 0. 5:1. 5 and practice in a low-stakes lobby. Finish by optimizing network and system load so your inputs stay consistent. Prefer wired Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Aim for ping under 100 ms and minimal jitter. Close background apps and lower stream quality if you see stutters, and make sure keyboard/mouse firmware is current. If you run into issues, repair your devices, clear the browser cache, and try Edge versus Chrome. These steps solve most problems. If input still drops, test another adapter to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.